Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Summer FabFitFun. It's always a tongue twister for me. And showing you guys what comes in the box. I will link down below all the, the details as far as how much it costs and how the different levels and all that kind of stuff. So we don't waste time on that. And without further ado, let's see what's in the box because I haven't seen it either. All right, so let's see. As usual, we got this time it's a pretty box. It's not, last time it was like a Valentine's box. And then I'll show you guys too the add-ons I ordered. So it comes with this magazine right here. And it has, inside the magazine, it tells you about the products you ordered. Let me see if let's see, we got a crossword puzzle. How about that? And all right, so here we go. What's in the box? And it comes with all the detailed explanations. So I will set those aside right over here. Oops, sorry. This microphone that I'm using now picks up every single little sound, so I apologize if I'm making crazy sounds. So I get the Green Chef. It's the meal kit for eating well. I got a $90 off certificate. A gift card, claim within 30 days. So I'm going to check that out. And then this one is Bright Cellars, $50 credit for if you love your wine. So there we go. So I didn't even know they'd probably deliver it to your house. Huh, $50 off. So now let's get into what's in here. Ooh. I got this. I forgot. I did choose it, but I forgot. By the time I get the box, I forgot what I chose. So I got this, what is this thing? A beautiful, as it is unique. This is a vase. Brings a sense of feminine style to your creative space. So it's a ceramic decorative vase, and I was hoping to have it for here in my beauty room. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Got like a shiny glaze and then a matte, so it'll be pretty to find some flowers for that. This one is priced, this vase is priced at $28, and it's from Isaac Mizrahi. I forget, it's that brand from Target. And then we've got the, what is this, hydropeptide. And this is, it's got flower extracts, avocado, pumpkin oils, and rice bran extract. And I'm going to read it from here because usually I can't. This is made with pure plant oils and rice bran extract. This blend nourishes the skin's lipid barrier, so it's very hydrating. And this one originally retails for $120. We will be using all of this. All right, so there's that. And then I've got this thing that says black. Oh, this is the eye mask with hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. It is the best. And let me, again, I'm making noise. I need to be careful with the microphone. Oh, here we go. So this is a peel-off mask, hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. You get a set of 5. The activated charcoal in both masks is formulated to leave you with refreshed skin, and it's retails for $59. Wow. Very cool. I will keep you informed how the mask works. All right, and then I've got the hand cream Spongel. Am I saying that right? Spongel. It says coconut and verbena. This one is a hand cream. Nourish and hydrate your hands with a blend of hyaluronic acid and shea butter and macadamia seed oils. All great ingredients. See, I'm addicted to anything I see that says hyaluronic acid. I'm like, ooh, piece of candy.
Ooh, piece of candy.
So I am going to definitely try this. I hope it's not too smelly though. I don't like stuff that's very perfumey, and I have found a few hand creams that are just very, very stinky. All right, so then I've got, what's this? Oh, so this is the mask activated in both masks. Oh, okay. So this black comes with the eye patches. So you can either use one or the other, or both, I guess. So this is kind of a set. And then I have the Taroko foot cream. We all need foot cream. We're showing our feet nowadays. And this one is foot cream with menthol and Taroko. A combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet. I like that. Definitely, especially since lately I've been doing my own pedicures. Ooh, and then I got Silk, a satin pillow sleeve. I love these because I recently purchased a silk pillowcase, and I absolutely love it. It helps, you know, keep your hair healthy and your face, because the cotton is not good for your skin. And you know, they say that these helps with like fine lines, wrinkles, so you're not, I guess the cotton really digs into your skin and it's not good for you, where these are gentle. And like I said, it's really good for your hair as well, to keep your hair healthy. So I chose that one. I remember I chose that one now because I was like, ooh, yes. And this one is $29.50. You can also find them on Amazon. And then I got, what is this? Oh, from Winky Lux. Oh, here we go. It's a Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Get your best brows ever with this universal brow pencil. And this one retails for $16. I haven't found it because I'm blind. And then I think this is the last. Yeah, that is the last thing. Let me put that to the side. And this one, I think it's perfect for the beach. And I was excited to get it. It retails for $75. And this is a Draper James bag. And I think it's perfect, like I said, for the beach. Let me take it out of the bag. And it comes with this cute little bow right there. It feels, ooh, silky. And it's got, okay, so it's a snap, and it is a cloth, you know, the inside is cloth. So very nice. I like it. You can just pop in your wallet and any sunscreen and your lip balm, and you're good to go. But very fashionable. So kind of, you can kind of put it on here. There you go. So yeah, I can definitely put it on my shoulder. I like when bags go over my shoulder, because then I can get them out of the way and have my hands free. So that is for inside the box, which is nice. I always love to see, they're like little what's it called, little surprises, you know, Christmas. And then I got they have add-ons which you can buy at a super discount. Every month or every season they'll just kind of release products. I'm assuming they're products that they put in previous boxes and they had extras, so they sell them at a super discount. And I got this you know, like coffee mug. I love coffee mugs. I am a collector of coffee mugs. Me and my best friend, we love coffee mugs. And you know, it's got room for a straw, so you could probably put a cold drink in there. And this one is from Kate Spade, New York. It's a 16-ounce thermal mug, but it's a Kate Spade one. And it's retails for $16. So not bad. And I like reusable, save the planet and all that. So see, and it says, actually, I can. And I think that's what really called me to it. Also, the message on it. Actually, I can. And then I saw this one, and it's from Laura Geller. I've got one of their pencils, their eyeliner pencils. And it's like one of those mechanical kohl pencils. But this one looks like it's a liquid eyeliner, which I will be trying in a future tutorial. All right, so as part of my other add-ons, I've got this Kwai hair care. I don't know what it's called. And it's a leave-in conditioner. I've heard that this hair care is really good, this brand, and it's a multitasking leave-in mist. Works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully it doesn't make my hair too gunky, you know, like build up. Then I'll have to do a clarifying, well, whatever. We're not going into those. And then last but not least, I got this, and I have no idea what it is. I don't know if it's a kimono or if it's a, I think it's a kimono. I don't think it's a pajama or anything like crazy like that. Yeah. Yes, it is. It's a kimono. Kimono. Hopefully it fits. Let's see. Show you guys how this works. Huh? How about that? Does it have any? It's got pockets. We like the pockets. I guess it doesn't go through. It just ties right here, like so. And it's got these pockets right here, which is nice. I think, yeah, I'm gonna like wearing this. This is a nice light, and it's super long, at least for me. It goes all the way down to a little bit below my knee, but that's because I'm short. But yeah, look at that. What do you guys think? I like it. It's very cute. Just gonna have to iron it out because it looks like my dog chewed on it. All right, so that is all I got in my summer FabFitFun box and add-ons. What do you guys think? Do you have the FunFit box? Do you like it? Did you have it? Did you enjoy it? Why did you quit? You know, give me all the deets. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up as usual, and share it if you want, think somebody else might find it useful. And I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.